Good morning, everybody. This is Tom from Driftless Farm, Small Scale Life. My goodness, don't mean to turn this into a storm channel, but it is our first winter here at the farm, so it's kind of interesting to document some of this stuff. Today, last night we got snow. This morning, freezing rain. So you can see the sheen here on the deck boards, and it's slick. You can see the sheen on the snow that fell last night. And I don't know if you can hear that sound, but it is raining. Huh. Interesting. So I got to get plowed out. You have some folks here. They're going to be going back to the Twin Cities. Yeah, you can see it here even on this cup. And the workbench, it's just glare ice. It's almost like I don't want to plow it yet. Because that would expose the ground underneath to the frozen rain. And that's going to be for a really slippery road. But yeah, that's what we're working with today. So, not a terribly big snowfall. The wind was ripping last night, but it is slippery, so we got that to deal with. All these things, all the things we're dealing with here at the farm. Let's walk back here again. Head over to the landing. Just be careful on this because there's no grip on that wood. Ooh, yeah, slippery. Jeez, I didn't think we were supposed to get freezing rain. Got a rabbit that's living underneath the deck. No, I don't think there's rabbit track. Yeah, it is. Fairly big rabbit. Went around the landing. This is the landing podcast studio. Open her up. Just see that sheen on the snow is freezing rain. And it's coming down too. Standing water even there. Interesting. You never know what's going to happen here on the farm. Oh man, I feel bad for folks driving back to the Twin Cities today. It's going to be really slick. Oofta. Anyway, this is a quick video. I'll start clearing the snow, I guess. We'll get going on it. We did not burn our big pile yesterday. Big pile out there. We did not burn that. It was too windy, so we decided not to have a fire outside. That's okay. That's all right. We'll get back another day. So there we go. Welcome to the farm, everybody. It's always an adventure here at Driftless Oaks. All right, this is Tom from Driftless Oaks Farm, Small Scale Life. I'm gonna learn, do, grow, be a little better every day. We'll talk to you real soon. See ya. Bye.